Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Combine 1 cup white sugar with 3.8 L 1 gallon, water and bring to a boil. Dissolve sugar fully and steep 8 bags black tea for 10 minutes, then remove bags. Cool the sweet tea to room temperature before adding the SCOBY and 2 cups starter kombucha to prevent heat damage. Choose a clean, wide-mouth glass jar large enough for fermentation and cover with a breathable cloth secured with a rubber band. This keeps out dust and insects while allowing gases to escape. Place the covered jar in a stable location away from direct sunlight and avoid metal contact with the SCOBY because it can react with acids. Ferment at 20-25 degrees C, 68-77 degrees F for 7-10 days. Taste daily starting on day 7 by dipping a clean spoon, looking for a vinegar tang and roughly 25% less sweetness than the original sweet tea. When the balance of tartness and sweetness is to your liking, remove the SCOBY and set aside with 2 cups starter liquid for your next batch. For a ginger lemon second ferment, mix 50 g grated fresh ginger and 60 ml fresh lemon juice per 1 L of kombucha, or adjust for taste. Stir into strained kombucha and pour into airtight swing-top bottles, leaving about 2.5 cm headspace. Ferment bottles at 20-22 degrees C for 2-5 days to build carbonation, then chill to slow fermentation. Refrigerate once carbonation is where you like it. If a bottle becomes overcarbonated, open it over a sink to burp pressure. Store refrigerated and consume within 2-4 weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.